Okay, let us go with more problems in trigonometric up to transformations. Okay, first problem is tan 70 minus tan 20 equals to tan 50 to tan 50 infinity 1. Here also same like this problem, tan 80 minus tan 10 by tan 70 equals to 0, 1, 2. Okay, definitely we choose one option. So which strategy can be applied to crack the problem? Here one strategy can apply. Hint is tan A plus tan B equals to, if A plus B equals to 90, if A plus B equals to 90, then tan A minus tan B equals to 2 tan A minus B, then equals to 2 tan 70 minus 20. Okay, then 2 tan 50. Second option, the same strategy can be applied here. Now here definitely it should be 2 into tan of 80 plus 80 minus 10, because of 70 plus 20 here 90. So that's why we applied this one. Yes or no? Tan A minus tan B equals to tan A minus B. Here also 80 plus 10 equals to 90. Yes or no? Then 2 tan 80 minus 2 tan. Okay. Already tan 70 is here. Tan 70. Then this cancel, equals to 2. Okay. Option 3. Let here. Now here also we can apply one strategy. Observe here, 27 plus 32 plus 31 equals to definitely 90 degrees. That means A plus B plus C equals to 90. If A plus B plus C equals to 90, then sigma tan A tan B equals to 1. Okay. Now it is like a tan A tan B plus tan B tan C plus tan B tan C tan A. So sigma tan 27 tan 32 equals to what? 1. Okay. Now this is nothing but 1. The option number 1. Okay. Let us go with more problems. Okay. Let us take more problems. Now the problem is theta less than pi by 6 under root 2 plus under root 2 plus under root 2 plus 2 cos 8 equals 8 theta equals k cos theta. Then k equals to, options are 2, 4, 8, 16. Okay. Here which strategy can be applied? Let for this type of problems, hint, under root 2 plus under root 2 plus under root 2 plus so on under root 2 plus cos 2 cos theta equals to 2 cos theta by 2 power n. Okay. Now here n is a number of square roots. Okay. Once again I am telling, method is important. You should follow the methods, not only problems. Then apply here 1, 2, 3. N equals to 3 square roots are here. Yes or no? Okay. Then should apply 2 cos, in the place of theta equals to 8 theta by 2 cube, then equals to k cos theta. Okay. Clearly cancel, then cos theta cancel, then k equals to 2. Okay. K equals to first one. And also one type of problem here, simply that hint is like this. Suppose 2 plus under root 2 plus under root 2 plus so on equals to 2 cos pi by 2 power n plus 1. Okay. Remember, if there is no 2 cos theta like this, then that equals 2 cos pi by 2 power n plus 1. Okay. For next one, Sin 12, sin 48, sin 54. It is like, suppose sin A sin 60 minus A sin 60 plus A. Okay. Now this strategy can be applied here. For sin A sin 60 minus A sin 60 plus A equals to 1 by 4 sin 3A. Okay. For cos also same like this, 1 by 4 cos 3A. Suppose in the place of tan, there only tan 3A. Okay, because of 1 by 4 get cancelled, 1 by 4 sin 3A by 1 by 4 cos 3 get cancelled. Okay, and also not only 60, for 120, 240, 300. Okay, the result is same like that, 1 by 4 sin 3A. Okay, but actually there is no correct form is here. Yes or no? 12, it is a 60 minus 12. Then what about 60 plus 12? So that's why I am applying like this. It is a 12, it is a sin 60 minus 12 and also sin 60 plus 12. Okay, then sin remaining sin 54 is here. Actually we are taking like this, sin 72 right here. Okay, sin 72 by 72, multiplying with sin 72 by sin 72. Okay, now it is a sin A sin 60 minus A sin 60 plus A, then that equals to 1 by 4 sin, in the place of A equals to 12. Yes or no? Okay, sin 54 by sin 72. Okay, then 1 by 4 sin 36, it is a sin 36. Now cos 54 is nothing but, sorry, sin 54 is nothing but cos 36. Okay, then sin 72. Okay, now it is nothing but 1 by 4. Shall I take like this, 2 by 2, 2 sin theta cos theta equals to 1 by 8 here, sin 2 theta by sin 72. Okay, these are cancelled. Now remaining is a 1 by 8 is the answer. Okay, now this is a strategy for given problem. Okay, if you want more problems, please comment on my comment box. Okay, thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.